Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you guys about the weighted blanket. A lot of you have requested that I do a review on this because I have talked about it a lot on my live chats. So, this is what the blanket looks like. It's little square patches and it's gray. This is a weighted blanket. It does have a cat on it, but the cat is not included. Inside each square is glass beads. There's more information about the measurements and the actual weight of the blanket on the website. It's on Amazon, so just check out the link and there'll be additional information you might need or want on there. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about it and why I'm crazy over it. So the brand name of this blanket is ZENY. Okay, so we're actually laughing right now because I just caught Alan spraying Mrs. Meyer's room spray in lavender on my weighted blanket. Anyways, so we wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about it, and this time it's not just me doing the review because someone else here loves this blanket too. Okay, so weighted blankets actually have lots of benefits. They are good for so many purposes. And one of the main reasons why I always wanted one... Are you holding your vape in? Mm-hmm. One of the main reasons why I always wanted a weighted blanket is because I heard it was really good for anxiety. I deal with a lot of anxiety on a daily basis. I feel like I'm always stressed out and I'm always having heart palpitations, tight chest, can't breathe. Like, I just always have anxiety and it really messes with my life and drives me crazy. So that's why I wanted to try one. So this blanket actually helps me a lot with my anxiety. After my day is done and, you know, I put my pajamas on, I get to relax in bed, watch a movie. This blanket is so comforting and calming that it really does just bring me like a peace and comfort, and it does help with my anxiety hardcore. So Alan here was actually skeptical about a weighted blanket. He thought I was crazy for wanting one until the first night when we tried it.
It's got cooling properties.
So it has cooling properties. It doesn't make you feel like smothering or it's overheating. It actually has like a cooling effect. Even just touching it. And I think
it's because of the glass beads.
Because of the glass beads. Yeah, it feels really nice. So what do you like about the weighted blanket, Alan?
Well, I like how, honestly, I can't believe it actually made a difference. When trying to fall asleep, I usually can't really fall asleep for maybe sometimes an hour or two, or maybe even 3 after we get in bed. And then I'm just laying there. But then after we got this blanket, I noticed that it helps you fall asleep faster. And not only does it do that, it helps you stay asleep, because I notice now that I have no... We both noticed that we both have no interrupted sleep patterns like we used to have all the time. We used to wake up 2 or 3 times in the middle of the night, and then now with this blanket, there's no interruptions whatsoever until you're ready to wake up and you open your eyes the next morning and you realize that you just slept throughout the night uninterrupted, and that makes a world of a difference. Not only that, it's comfortable to lounge under.
Yeah. It is really comfortable just to have it like laying over your legs. Like, it feels like you're being held or hugged in a way without anybody actually touching you. So it's just so comforting. But that is one of the main things that I am loving about this blanket, is everything he just said. It normally takes me a good 30-40 minutes to fall asleep. I am an insomniac, so I have sleeping issues. But this thing puts me out within minutes. Like, I pass out and I stay asleep all night. Like, normally if he would get up to get a drink of water or something, I would wake up. The other day he was coughing and got up to get a bottle of water. I didn't even know he got up till he told me the next morning. So this thing keeps me completely asleep. Like,
so I don't know
seriously
what kind of options you try as far as trying to sleep better, whether it be pills or different pillows, or maybe even buying a whole new mattress. But honestly, I can say that no matter what we've done, or she's done, really, she's the one who had it really mattered to her about the issues, was because she's tried so many different things, and this is so far the only thing that is just like so simple, but yeah,
Yes.
made the most difference.
Yeah.
So it's just a blanket. If you think you need a fan or different sounds or pills or whatever, or different pillows or sleeping on different positions, no, just try this and you'd be surprised what it can do.
Well, I still like my fan though because of the noise.
Yeah.
But nothing.
But I think if you could only choose one thing extra to
Yeah.
make the difference of you sleeping, I think it'd be this.
Nothing I have tried, even my fan that I have to sleep with, like nothing has put me to sleep like this weighted blanket. It's crazy. And I've noticed even the cats really like it. They like laying on it, and they even liked when I put it over them. They liked it. So yeah, for those of you wondering about the weighted blanket, trust me when I tell you, you need to try one. Just take a chance and try it. You're gonna be skeptical like Alan. You're gonna think it's crazy. It's just a weighted blanket. What's it gonna do? But you're going to love it. Super comforting. Really helps with my anxiety. Just makes me feel calm and peaceful and relaxed, and helps us sleep so good. So that is our review on this blanket. I also wanted to say they have little loops on the corners and all around the blanket in case you want to put a duvet over it, but I don't feel the need for that because I just like it gray like this, girl. But yeah, blanket's amazing. Right?
Yeah, you should definitely give it a try.
Give it a try. The link is down below. It's on Amazon. It's very affordable. We actually seen one in Walmart yesterday that was overpriced and it felt stupid.
Yeah, it didn't feel anywhere near.
It wasn't even heavy. It just felt like a blanket. Like, I can barely pick this up by myself because it's so heavy, but the one at Walmart was just like, what is this?
This one has the cooling effect because of the glass beads. This is a good one because it has the glass beads. I'm sure the other one probably had something else, but this is the one you want to buy if you're going to actually buy one.
Yeah, definitely. I highly recommend this and it's amazing.
And the link will be down below in the description.
I said that! Back to this day in the life. We just got back from eating and then we took all of our garbage out. And as you can see, I'm still a mess, so I'm gonna go take a shower, put my pajamas on, and relax with my blanket and play on my phone or whatever. I look forward to getting in bed with this blanket every night because it's awesome. Okay, so I'll see you in a little bit. Bye!